Hi everyone and welcome to channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today we are making cornmeal recipe. Hope you will like it. Now food facts. Cornmeal is rich in minerals and vitamins such as thiamine, B6, folate, manganese, iron, etc. The second ingredient is cheese. It is great source of calcium, fat and protein and has high amounts of vitamin A, B12 along with zinc and phosphorus and riboflavin. The third one is chicken. Chicken provides vitamins and minerals involved in brain function. It builds muscle, strengthens bones and even aids in weight loss if eaten in right amount. Ingredients for batter. So here we will be using yellow corn flour or makki ka atta, all-purpose flour, red chili, some pani puri masala, buttermilk, mixed herbs, salt as per taste and a pinch of baking soda. So here we are going to prepare the batter. In this we have added all the spice mix as well as we have added garlic granules, and now we are going to add buttermilk to it. I think we require a little bit of more buttermilk for the batter. We prepared this batter. In this we have used 3 tablespoons of yellow corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and we have used 2 bowls of buttermilk, approximately 300 ml of buttermilk, and salt, spice mix and all other things that we have already mentioned in the ingredients. So the consistency is just like this. It is not too thin and not too thick. Please check the consistency. Now keep it aside for 15 minutes at room temperature. So these are the cheese sticks which we have prepared from 200 gram of cheese, and this is the batter. We are going to coat it with this batter. So we have coated the cheese with the batter and now we will refrigerate it for 30 minutes. So after refrigerating it for 30 minutes, I coated it with some nachos to enhance its flavor and taste. So now we will shallow fry it. Now we are going to shallow fry it, and I have added 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the pan. Now I'm going to add the cheese slices. Now shallow fry it on slow flame. The fume, nice aroma. So this is the finally prepared cheese cornmeal recipe. So we have decorated it with olives, both green olives as well as black olives, and as well as on the top of it I have used mint mayonnaise sauce, which is 78% fat free. So hope you will like this recipe. In the center I have used one nachos, and over that I have used a salsa mix, and on the top of it are the olives and mint mayonnaise sauce, and I have plated it with the chili sauce. So these are the chicken lollipops, and we are going to dip it into the batter. So these are the chicken lollipops. We have dipped this into the batter, and now we are going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Look how yummy they are looking. These are the chicken lollipops that we have refrigerated for 30 minutes. I have recoated it with the batter, and then I have used some nachos as a toppings over it, and now we are going to deep fry it. Now we are going to deep fry the cornmeal non-veg recipe. So I am going to add the chicken lollipop for deep frying. So these are the finally prepared chicken lollipop cornmeal recipe, and for the decoration purpose I have used nachos, and on the top of it are the olives, and in the center is the mayonnaise sauce, and apart from that I have used some cranberries, and over at the last I have also used some pasta sauce. You can use any sauce if you like, as per your own taste. Food for thought. Cornmeal snacks can be healthy and tasty, so cook, eat and enjoy. Now a quick recap. So ingredients. Here we will be using for ingredients for batter: 3 tablespoon corn flour, 1.5 tablespoon all-purpose flour, salt as per taste, 300 ml buttermilk, red chili, pinch of baking powder, mixed herbs, chaat masala. Preparation of batter. Add all ingredients mixed with the buttermilk instead of water. Prepare a semi-thick batter. Garlic granules. Preparation of batter. Add all ingredients mixed with the buttermilk instead of water. Prepare a semi-thick batter. Add garlic granules and spice mix. For vegans, here we are using cheese cornmeal snacks. Cut 200 grams of cheese in cubes and add stick to it. Now coat with the batter, refrigerate for 30 minutes, then shallow fry it at low flame. For non-vegetarians, we have chicken lollipops cornmeal snack. Dip the chicken lollipops in the batter, refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Before deep frying it, just add or coat it with the nachos and then deep fry it on low flame. Cornmeal recipes are ready. One is for the vegetarians, another one is for the non-vegetarians. Hope you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Please follow Ankit Food for Thought at Instagram to get more insights on recipes. Thank you.